wow, whoopsie! Amazing what some good lights do in a shop. Well, we went Black Friday shopping. Not only did we get some nice lights in here, help light it up a little bit, we found some tools because we don't go to Walmart really for Black Friday shopping. If we end up at Walmart, it's because we're just out and about and need some stuff. So we usually end up at the pirate that got kicked in the nut store, Menards, and got some tools like an orbital sander and some other basic toolbox stuff, like step drill bits and extensions, the things that guy really wants. But I really wanted this thing. Just coincidence, it was on Black Friday, so we got it. So the one thing with duct tape numbers, well, you can take the tape off, but it's gonna stay. But we're gonna get through and go ahead and try out our new toy, even though I've already used it a little bit, but see how it does on this side to eliminate some of this, this.
That's Johnny Duncan, so don't go nowhere. Keep it.
I guess I should have bought me some more sanding disc because this one here is pretty well cooked. Oh well. We made progress. You see the different colors of the car. You got your black, got your red, got your blue, got your metal, got your Bondo, got your primer. This car's had a long history, I guess. Different colors. You really see a lot of the blue up here. Kind of like that color. It's about the same color as Ladwag, so maybe that's the original color. I don't know. What's the one thing that can kill duct tape residue that's left on a car and plus paint? Brake cleaner. See? Simple as this. It's amazing what a couple of cans of Super Tech brakes parts cleaner and a razor blade can do to a door. Did a pretty good number on it. But we still didn't get rid of the roughness. So we'll have to get another sanding disc and, well, we're going to hit the whole side, but really need to work on that. Get it all cleaned up, nice and smooth like. You might say Clint looks pretty spiffy looking. I got my nice flannel button-up shirt here. Simple. I forgot to change clothes before I come out here. I still got my church clothes on. Oh well. We got to go through. We need to sand all that back down, get it smooth, and then finish sanding this side up because, well, simply, we had a junk disc. But luckily, the old Walmarts, they sell nice new ones. So we're going to switch out and finish trying to get the side sanded down. Then we can finish, start doing, all that stuff up there. And they put Bondo on here naturally. And you can't really see it in the camera, but the edges are kind of flaked up a little bit. So I've been working on that a little bit off and on when I get bored this junk down here. So yay, more sanding. Well, I suppose we've made a pretty good dent on smoothing this side out. But why in the world would a guy try to fill holes like this with Bondo? Come on now. You had to get a hammer and chisel to get that out. If you get it in here, you can see how thick that really is right there. This was nice and curved like this, which means there was a low spot, which they defeated the purpose of having Bondo. Come on. Really? Come on, man. Come on. But I guess the guy needs to go in and get ready for work and all that fun jazz. Flip these light switches off like shutting the lights on and off in the truck. But we will come back out. I think we're gonna attack all this. I think we're just gonna eat the Bondo off with the old grinder. Hate to do that. I don't think I have any other choice, because it's going to take me forever to sand that down. And you know, I don't mind the door seams. They alright. But I guess we'll see you guys out on the big road, because that's what we do. You know, we leave here now and we go back on the road. And lights are bright. But I guess until next time, we'll catch you out on the road. God bless you. Stay safe.